Hello, good morning, Arizona. We're installing here a brand new door. It's a 16 by 8 opening that the customer frame the opening for us with a 2 by 6 all over around, and we have a metal steel roof here, and we're going to install this door here. So I'm going to take some pictures and videos through the process. If you guys have any questions how to install and how doors work, you can give us a call. Okay, this is the motor that we're going to install here. It's a LiftMaster commercial grade heavy duty unit with a belt drive, really quiet, the door off the truck, and we're going to begin the install.